So currently I've connected AI-04 and you can see it is connected with the system. Even after the movement, after moving the product, it is not getting disconnected. But as noticed, while I use the other port, other USB port of the same system, right now as you can see it is getting connected, and right now it is connected. Even on the slightest movement, the product will not get connected. It disconnects, and you can see it's disconnected, and a USB error message pops up. So most probably the issue lies in the USB port. It due to it being loose, the device won't show on the slight movements. Yeah, as you can see it is loose, and I'm getting the same message which I was not getting earlier. USB not getting recognized, not recognized by the system. So if I use a different port altogether, which is a proper working port, I won't be facing this issue. So the product is connected, and you can see I have lifted up, and it is not getting disconnected at all, as the USB is fixed in properly. Hence, this device is working fine. I tested it with my speakers as well as AMC 11 microphone. I will share the video and audio clips with this case.